hugs, reading stories, giving love. Family, family, here we are, together shining like a star.